Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about splitting transactions in Goodbudget. The simple answer is yes, you can split a single transaction into multiple envelopes in Goodbudget. This feature is a core part of the app's functionality and is very useful for tracking expenses accurately. To do this, when you are entering a new transaction, you will see an option to split into multiple from the envelope drop-down menu. Selecting this option will allow you to allocate different amounts of the total transaction to different envelopes. For example, if you go to a big box store and buy both groceries and some new clothes, you can enter the total amount of the purchase. Then, you can use the split transaction feature to put the amount spent on groceries into your groceries envelope and the amount spent on clothes into your clothing envelope. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.